Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Telehealth services, setup guide step by step clearly. To activate Medicare Telehealth services, start by visiting the official Medicare website. Create a secure account by selecting the login option. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the My Coverage section. Locate the Telehealth Services option in the menu. Read through the available information to understand what services are covered. Next, check your eligibility by confirming your enrollment in Medicare Parts A and B. If eligible, proceed to the Provider Directory. Search for healthcare providers offering telehealth services in your area. Make a note of the providers accepting new Medicare patients. Contact your chosen provider to verify if they offer telehealth consultations. Schedule your telehealth appointment at a convenient time. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection for your appointment. On the day of your appointment, log into the platform used by your healthcare provider. Follow any specific instructions provided by your provider for accessing the telehealth service. Have any necessary documents ready for your visit, such as insurance information. After your consultation, make sure to follow any care instructions given by your provider. Keep a record of your appointment details and any follow-up actions needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.